And on your bathroom sink drains, if you'll notice, I can barely get my finger underneath there. And when you run the water, it'll start to slow the water down. It's not because it's got hair in there, it's because it can't drain enough. So if that's up high, the water flows good. So what you do is you go underneath here and you can adjust this. You just take the rod out and you put it down in the lower. Here, I'll do it real quick. Well, it takes a second. Take this off, get your rod out, and slide it down to wherever the freak you want. There we go. Put your stopper back on, or your rod, clipper. I hate these little clippers. No. There we go. Okay, so now it pushes that down farther. I'll show you what it looks like. See how high that is now? And now you got no water back up. If it can get air, it will be a slow drain every single time. Just little tricks, man. Just little tricks.